guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhijan, and guys, in this video we gonna tell you that how you can describe a picture if you are on B1 level. Yes guys, if you are a B1 learner, this video is for you. Make sure to learn each and every point, how to describe a picture, how to describe anything in German. Make sure to note down these pictures because this will help you in the B1 exam if you are planning to give. In case you are watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhijan. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
How to describe a picture in German language. So this description will be according to B1 level. What is Bildbeschreibung and why it is important? So it is important for the preparation of exam and it shows that you can describe a situation. Structure of a good Bildbeschreibung. So first you have to give general information, which is allgemeine Informationen. So for this you can use some of the phrases. For example, auf dem Bild sehe ich means at the picture I see, or das Foto zeigt means the photo shows. Es ist ein Farbfoto oder es ist ein schwarz-weiß Bild means it is a color photo or it is a black and white photo. And das Bild wurde wahrscheinlich im Sommer aufgenommen means the photo must be taken in summer. So you can use these all things to give general information. Then second thing which you need to describe is person and place means Ort und Personen beschreiben. So you can use das Bild wurde draußen oder drinnen aufgenommen, or im Vordergrund, Hintergrund, in der Mitte sehe ich means in front or in background or in the middle I see, or links oder rechts sieht man, and es gibt zwei Personen, eine Frau und einen Mann. So you can use these phrases for telling about the person and the place. Was passiert means now you have to tell that what is happening in the picture. For this you can use nutze das Präsens plus eventual Modalverben means use the present tense. Then for example, die Leute essen zusammen means the people are eating together. Ein Kind spielt mit einem Ball. A child is playing with a ball. Die Frau liest eine Zeitung. The woman is reading a newspaper. Vermutungen anstellen means doing assumptions using modal verbs and conjunctive. For example, vielleicht ist das eine Familie means maybe this is a family. So this is an assumption. Next, es könnte ein Park sein means it could be a park. Wahrscheinlich arbeiten die Personen zusammen means probably the persons work together. So like this you can give the assumptions. Persönliche Meinung und Verbindungen zum Alltag means personal opinion and connections. So for this you can use Ich finde das Bild interessant, weil means I find this picture interesting because, and after this you can tell your own reason. Or you can also use Mich erinnert das Bild an or in meinem Land. Now some of the important ready-metals which you can use to describe the picture. So first, when you start describing the picture, you can use das Bild zeigt means the picture shows, or ich sehe means I see. Then when you want to tell the location of persons or something else, then you can use links, rechts or in der Mitte. Then when you want to describe a person, then you can say eine Frau mit langen Haaren means a woman with long hair. So like this you can describe that how a person is looking. Then Vermutungen means assumptions. So you can use some signal words like vielleicht, wahrscheinlich, wohl like this, or you can also use ich denke das means I think that. And for Meinung geben means for giving your own opinion, you can say ich finde or meiner Meinung nach. Before learning how to describe a picture, we should also know some of the words. So the first category is Ortsangaben means when you want to describe a place, then you can use some of the following words. First one is im Hintergrund means in background, im Vordergrund means in front, daneben means next to, darauf Then draußen means outside, drinnen means inside. Second is Menschen, means when you want to describe about a person, then you can use some of the adjectives, for example, jung, alt, lachend, traurig. Beschäftigt means busy or occupied or freundlich. Then Tätigkeiten means when you want to tell about the activities, means what they are doing, then you can use some of the words like essen, reden, lachen, arbeiten or spielen. And then when you want to tell how they are wearing the clothes, then you can use ein rotes T-shirt, eine blaue Hose or moderne Schuhe. So you can use these things. Now tips for exam. Nutze Präsens beim Beschreiben means use present tense while describing. Verwende Modalverben für Vermutungen means use modal verbs such as könnte and dürfte for assumptions. Halte den Blickkontakt mit deinem Gesprächspartner means keep a contact with your speaking partner. Sprich ruhig, mach keine zu langen Pausen means speak calmly and don't take too long pause. And übe vorher mit echten Bildern means practice in advance with real pictures. On the screen you can see the picture which we are going to describe. So what you can do, you can also try describing a picture and then later on you can check that how many differences are there, how many mistakes are there. Bildbeschreibung auf Deutsch B1 Niveau. Auf dem Bild sieht man einen belebten Spielplatz an einem sonnigen Tag means in the picture you can see a busy playground on a sunny day. Viele Kinder spielen fröhlich im Park means many children are playing happily in the park. In der Mitte befindet sich ein runder Brunnen mit Wasser, den einige Kinder herumstehen und spielen means in the center there is a round fountain with water around which some children are standing and playing. Links im Bild rutscht ein Mädchen fröhlich eine Rutsche hinunter, die wie eine Giraffe aussieht means on the left side of the image a girl is happily sliding down a slide that looks like a giraffe. Ein anderes Kind wartet schon oben. Daneben fährt ein Junge mit dem Fahrrad means another child is waiting at the top and next to it a boy is riding a bicycle. Auf der anderen Seite springt ein Kind auf einem Trampolin means on the other side one child is jumping on the trampoline während ein anderes daneben steht und zuschaut while another is watching. Rechts sieht man ein Klettergerüst mit einer blauen Rutsche. Zwei Kinder rutschen und ein klettert gerade nach oben means on the right there is a climbing frame with a blue slide. Two children are sliding down and one child is climbing up. Unten im Bild steht ein Schild mit der Aufschrift Welcome. Ein Kind hält einen Drachen in der Hand means at the bottom of the picture there is a sign that says welcome. A child is holding a kite. Im Hintergrund sitzen zwei ältere Menschen, wahrscheinlich die Großeltern, auf einer Bank und beobachten die Kinder means in the background two elderly people, probably grandparents, are sitting on a bench and watching the children. Den Brunnen fliegen ein paar weiße Tauben means some white doves are flying around the fountain. Die Atmosphäre auf dem Bild ist sehr fröhlich und lebendig. Alle Kinder haben Spaß und das Wetter scheint schon zu sein means the atmosphere in the picture is very cheerful and lively. All the children are having fun and the weather seems to be nice.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope now you have the proper knowledge how to describe anything in B1. Make sure to subscribe and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.